Welcome again. Today we are going to start a new lesson, expansion formula. Okay. In previous year, that means in last year for 7th standards, we learned the expansion like a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, a plus x plus a x sorry x plus a x minus b. Okay, this type of formulas we learned in previous standard, that means in last year. Today we learn a new formulas with expansion, making with expansion, which are these x plus a, x plus b, a plus b bracket q, a minus b bracket q, a plus b plus c bracket square. Four formulas today we will learn. On the board, I explain directly explanation of this formula. What is that means? X plus a and x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b bracket complete into x plus ab. This is the formula. Using this formula, how to solve the problems? Only for each formula we take 2-3 examples. With the help of this formula we solve each formula, we solve 2-3 examples only for formulas of these lessons. A plus b bracket cube, a minus b bracket cube, a plus b plus c bracket square, and x plus a and x plus b. Four formulas are there, and regarding with these four formulas we learn the 2-3 examples of these. Okay, then this lesson is finished. Okay, we are going to start. Look at the board. Okay, let's see. In previous year this type of formulas we learned, that is a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b and a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. These formulas we learned in last year, that means in previous year. This year we learn these four formulas, and all lesson depend upon these formulas. We will give you example, solve the example using this. First of all we check it which formula is suitable for that example, then we solve these problems. First formula, x plus a, x minus b. That means x square a plus b bracket complete into x plus ab. A plus b bracket cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That means a plus b, everything is plus. A minus b, which term? Same formula, but where minus 3a square minus b plus 3ab square, and lastly minus b cube, a cube and b cube. A plus b plus c bracket square, a square b square c square plus 2ab 2bc 2c. These are four formulas. Using these formulas we solve each and every problems. Okay, first of all we solve the problems by first x plus a and x plus b. Okay, like this. How to find out? One term is plus, in this, that means in this one term is plus and one term is minus from the same numbers. That is here x plus a, x minus b. A and b are different terms, but a add in the same term, b minus from the same term. That means this is a similarity from which we solve it. Okay, m minus 4 and m plus 6. Here m minus 4 and m plus 6. This is the formula. Okay, that means one term is plus and one term is minus. Okay, like this way. How to solve? That means one term is plus, first x square, here m square, right? Here m square plus minus 4 plus 6, a plus b, here a and this b, here a and here b, into m. Okay, plus minus 4 into 6. A into B, that is equal to m square plus what happens here, plus 2 minus 4 plus 6 plus 2m plus minus 24. Okay, so the answer is m square plus 2m minus 24. This is the expansion of this. Okay, we see another examples of this. Okay, p plus 8, p minus 3, p plus 8, p minus 3. This is example. Similar, x plus a, x minus b. One term is plus, one term is minus. How to solve? Okay, same way. You use this formula, p square plus a plus b, that means a minus 3 into p plus 8 into minus 3, that is equal to p square plus 8 minus 3 5p plus 8 minus 3 minus 24, that is equal to p square plus 5p minus 24. This is the answer. Okay, are you understand how to solve the problem with the help of these formulas, using the expansion of these formulas? This is the formula and expansion of this. This is the formula, expansion is this. This formula, expansion is this, and this formula, expansion is this. Okay, understand? Now another examples we will take. That means 13 plus x and 13 minus x. How to solve? X plus a, x minus, means one term is plus, one term is minus. That means 13 square like this plus x minus x into 13 plus a into b, x into minus x. What happens? 13 square 169. Okay, plus x minus x 0 into 13 plus x into minus x plus x into minus x, that is minus x square, that is equal to 0 into 13 0, that means 169 minus x square, that is answer. Are you understand how to solve? We solved 3 examples regarding with this formula, and this is the expansion of this formula. Okay, right? Good. We see another term, that means next formula. Start. Second formula, that is a plus b bracket cube. Okay, in similar manner we solve. First example, 7 plus m bracket cube. What is the expansion? A cube means first term cube plus 3 into first term square, 3 into first term square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term plus second term cube. What happens? First term cube, 3 into second term square into first term square into second term plus first term into second term into second term square and last second term cube. Therefore 7 cube, what is 7 cube? Cube of 7, 7 sevens are 49 into 7, 343, right? 343 plus 7 square 49, 49 threes are, what happens? 49 into 3, 147, right? But we write here 3 into 49 square m. 49 m square. So take 3 into 49 into m plus 3 into 7 into m cube plus m cube. Okay, then what happens? 343 plus 49 3 that is 147 m plus 21 m cube plus m cube. Okay, write it in a proper manner, or this is also a right answer. If you write in this manner, is it right? Okay, it is right answer. Okay, now another example regarding with the second examples. Then what? 50 plus 2 bracket cube, that is a plus b bracket cube. Similarly, first term cube plus 3 into first term square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term cube plus second term cube. That is this formula, right? First term cube 3 into first term square into second term plus 3 into first term second term, first 3 into first term into second term cube plus second term cube, like this. Okay, 50 cube. What is 50 cube? 5 5 are 25, 5 are 125. That is 125. 0 0 0, 3 zeros plus 503 into 50 square. What is 50 square? 200. 3 into 2500 into 2. Okay, plus 3 into 50 into 2 cube, 2 to the 4 to the 6 plus 2 to the 4 to the 6, 4 to the 8, sorry. I kind of condition plus 75, 3 to the 6, 6, 25, 6 and 150. That is the answer. Then answer of this is, if you write down 125, 100, answer of this is 14,068. This is the answer of this. Okay, do you understand? I think all of you understand it very well. This is the example of a second. X plus 1 upon x bracket cube. How to solve first term cube? First term cube plus 3 into first term square plus into second term plus 3 into first term into second term square plus second term cube. What happens here? X cube as it is plus 3x, 3 into x square into 1, that means 3x square into 1 upon x. 3x square into 1 upon x plus 3x into 1 upon x square. Right? Plus 1 upon x cube. what is happens? Here 1x1, here x1, here square 1, here 3x x1. That means 3 upon x. What happens? X cube plus 3x, because of y here is 2 is, and here x is gone, plus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. That is the answer of the question. The expansion of this problem is that, like this. Okay. Now we are going to the next formula, that is a minus b cube. Okay. 4 minus p bracket cube related with third formula. We see 2-3 examples of first formula, 2-3 examples of second formula. Now we are seeing third formula, 2-3 examples. What is first term cube minus 3 into first term square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term square minus second term cube. Okay. Then what happens? 4 cube, 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. Okay. For 16, 16 3 the 48, 48 into p minus p, that means minus 48p, right? Sorry, this is a mistake done by me. This term is complete, this term and this term, plus 4 is the 12, 12p square minus p cube. Then what happens? The answer is, you are right, 64 minus 48p plus 12p cube p square minus p cube. This is the answer of the question. Okay, are you understand? Same process, no changes. What happens? First term cube minus 3 into second term first term square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term square minus second term cube. Using these, you can write down the problems. Another example regarding with third. Okay, then we are going to give another examples like this. Third examples, that is 1 minus 1 upon a bracket cube, that is equal to, how to solve? Similar manner, 1 cube minus 3 into first term square into second term, okay, plus 3 into first term into second term square plus second term cube, right? That is equal to 1 cube, that is 1 cube, 1 minus 3 into 1 square, that means 1, 3, that is 3, sorry, that is 3 into 1 upon a, that means 3 upon a, this term is second term and this is third term. 3 into 1 upon a square plus 3 into a square plus 1 upon a. This is the answer. Okay? Are you agree with me? Sorry, this is a mistake. This is a minus. So last term become a minus. Okay? That is means 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Right? We are solving another example regarding with this. M minus 5 bracket cube. Put it values in this formula. First term, that means a, that is the first term, 2n cube minus 3 into 2n into second term. First term square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term square minus second term cube. Okay, that is 2n square, that is 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8n cube minus 5 to the 15, 15 that is here 3 into, first of all we clear the 4n into 5 plus 3 to 2n into 25 minus 125. Okay, now this is the second term, this is the third term. Okay, here first term 8n square, 8m cube minus 5 3s are 5 for the 20, 23 is 60 minus 60m plus 25 is 75, 75 to the 150, 150m here square minus 125. Here 125. This is the answer. Okay. Here three formulas. I take 2-3 examples of each formula. Okay. Now the last formula regarding, that is a plus b plus c bracket cube. Okay. This lesson is finished. This is expansion. This is the formula. Expansion formulae. These are expansions. Okay, now the last terms. Using the last terms, how to solve? We solve 2-3 examples of these. Okay. N plus 2n plus 3r brackets cube. Okay. First, second, third square. M square plus 2n square plus 3r square. Okay, then plus 2 into first term into second term, first term m into second term plus 2 into second term into third term, 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into 2 into first term into third term, that is 3r into m. Okay, this is each term square like this, then first term into second term, then 2 into second term into third term, and then 2 into third term into first term. Okay, we simplify this, that is m square plus 2n square, that means 4n square plus 3 3s are 9, 9r square. Okay, it is clear. First 2 into 2, 4 mm, right? Plus 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 nr plus 3 to the 6 rn. This is the answer. Okay, are you understand? Rn, sorry, this is m. Another example of this, that is 3x plus 4y minus 5p bracket square. Okay. Similarly, if you write in perfect formulas, then no single mistake can be done. No single mistake. I assured you, you can't make any single mistake if you write in a particular manner. That means in formulas. First term square, 3x square plus 4y square minus 5p square. Okay, first is clear. Then 2 into first term into second term. Okay, plus 2 into second term into third term. Right? That is a minus 5. Okay, plus 2 into second term into first term. Okay, then solution of this: 3 square 9x square plus 16y square plus 25p square plus 4 3 12 tabular 24xy. Right? Then 5 for the 20, 22 are 40, 40yp. Sorry, here comes minus 40yp because 5 sign is minus. And here 5 to the 15, 15 to the 30, minus 30px. Okay? We take another example of this last formula. Another example related with the fourth formula. Similarly, 2p square plus q square plus 5 square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into third term into first term. Okay? 4p square plus q square plus 25 plus, this is, you make underline, but because of phi you can understand very easy way, that is 2 to the 4p cube plus 5 to the 10 cube plus 5 for the 20p. That is the answers. Okay? Here the lesson is finished. From these lessons we learn these formulas. In previous standard we learned this formula. Now in 8th standard we learn these 4 formulas, and we see each formula have 2-3 examples related with each formula. Okay, here lesson is finished. Thank you.